We'd like to extend thanks to our sponsors: Brightwood Architecture Education, Finner and Esler, Klein and Hoffman, Langan, Members First Federal Credit Union, Offit Kermanen, Attorneys at Law, MMP&S, Desmone Architects, University of Pennsylvania, Civil and Environmental Consultants, Inc. The AIA Pennsylvania Government Award is given in recognition of significant contributions to, or particular support of, the profession and business of architecture and/or the built environment. AIA Pennsylvania presents the PA Public School Building Construction and Reconstruction Advisory Committee with the 2018 Government Award. The PlanCon Advisory Committee was established pursuant to Act 25 of 2016 to review and make recommendations related to the program for state reimbursement for construction and reconstruction and lease of public school buildings, commonly known as PlanCon. The committee has worked closely with AIA Pennsylvania to ensure architects' expertise is heard during the modernizing and streamlining of the school construction funding equation, all the while ensuring the health, safety, and welfare of students and teachers that occupy school buildings.